Hello friends, most of the people complain about eyesight problems mainly because they cannot see the faraway long distance object very clearly and effectively, but their visual is much more better in seeing the nearby objects. This is the most common complaint from people. So what is the main cause for this? What is the reason behind this? What are the permanent solutions that can be done to prevent the eyesight problems or to overcome the eyesight problems? Let us dive into it. First of all, whenever the problem rises, many people are going for wearing the spectacles, but the spectacles is a temporary solution, and the spectacles is a artificial lens that helps to restore the eyesight temporarily, but it will not make the permanent solution. And also throughout the years you have to change the spectacles due to rise in the lens power. So this is the major drawback we should keep in mind. So what is the permanent solution? Let us see it. So first of all, whenever the light and the image enters the cornea and falls onto the lens will change the shape with the help of ciliary muscle. So ciliary muscle control the shape of the lens. So whenever you see the nearby objects, the ciliary muscle will be in a contraction state, and it will make the lens to be contracted more so that it can accommodate and focus onto the nearby objects very well clearly. So whenever you are trying to see the long distant objects, the ciliary muscles will become wide and relaxed, and it make the lens to become wide and relaxed so that you can see the long distant objects very effectively and clearly. Now the question is, how much time do you spend in this two way? If you are spending much more time by watching the television, by watching the smartphones, or by reading the books, you are going to make the lens to be in much more contracted state, and the ciliary muscle will misfunction, and the ciliary function is much more atrophied, so the function is restricted and limited to the contraction. So you cannot see the long distant objects effectively, since the muscle cannot return back to the widened state or the relaxed state. So what is the simple way that can be done? If you watch the free flying birds or the clouds or the long distant trees, you are engaged to nature, and also you feel the happiness. At the same time, your ciliary muscle will start to function and wide, and also it makes the lens to be wide so that you can see the long distant objects very clearly and effectively. And also it is vice versa. When you cannot see the nearby objects, you must start working out on seeing the nearby objects very well. So this is the very effective method. So if you follow this simple method, you can able to see the nearby objects and also the long distant objects very effectively and clearly. So we will meet in next video. Until then, bye.